Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy Frenchie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to hard reset your iPhone 8. This works on your iPhone 8, 8 Plus. So let's waste no more time and get right into the video. I'll be giving away an iPhone 12 Pro Max and a MacBook Air once we hit 100,000 subscribers. To enter the giveaway, all you guys have to do is subscribe to the channel. It's that simple, right? No catch. The giveaway will also be worldwide, so anybody can enter. I'll be giving away 2 lucky subscribers one of these devices. So all you guys have to do is subscribe to the channel, and that's it. Once we hit 100,000 subscribers, I'll give these away. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is make sure your volume button up, down, and lock button completely work. So the first thing you're going to do is push the volume button up, down, continue to hold the lock button. You're going to continue to hold the lock button until your phone turns on, until you see the Apple logo, then you can release. You can now release. If you guys need any help on any other videos, shoot a comment down below or message me on Instagram. I'm always willing to help anybody out. And there you guys go. Alright guys, I made it to the end of the video. If this video has helped you guys out, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. You guys already know we have a goal reaching 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. If not, at least 2022, hopefully we reach 100,000 subscribers. I can't do it without you guys, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. That'll be all. Roll the outro.